Today's video is about decorating staples. Not staples, because they're really small. Decorating must-haves. Hi everyone, welcome to another interior design tips video. Today I'm going to talk about decorating and my 5 must-haves to making your home look and feel like it's been decorated by a professional interior designer like me. In this video, I talked about furniture must-haves, kind of like your home's wardrobe staples, key pieces of furniture that are the basis for great home decor. Think of those pieces as the foundation, and now couple that with today's video where I'm going to give you my favorite things to decorate and style around those key pieces. For instance, in that last video, there was a cute little red chair placed at the end of the hall. But notice the pieces around it. Those are key decorating accessories that tell you that chair is there on purpose. It's a vignette created by the chair and the artwork. They all go together. And no, the chair isn't just placed there by accident. You know, so you don't trip over the chair and go like, why is this chair here? Oh, it's part of a vignette. Decorating accessories can be used to elevate, soften, and style your home along with your key pieces of furniture. So let's get to it. Here are my 5 favorite decorating must-haves, and then I'll show you how it all comes together. By the way, if you've shopped on Amazon before, stick around until the end of this video for details about my shopping list. I've got an Amazon storefront where you can find many of these great decorating pieces, so keep your eyes peeled and stay tuned. One of the best ways to add interest is to add accent lighting. Accent lighting isn't your primary lighting source, but it's absolutely as necessary in my opinion. It's a great way to add additional hits of light, but also a great way to express your own design style because they come in so many different looks. They come in a variety of sizes too, from tiny little lights to large oversized table lamps. Floor lamps are great too as they can tuck into tight corners. You'll see lots of examples of accent lights coming up soon. The next must-have on my list of decorating pieces are soft accessories like blankets, throws, pillows, and I even include area rugs in this group. A well-designed room and home includes lots of textures, and that's where these soft accessories really play a huge role. They also provide great opportunities for layering, which is another key aspect of decorating. Layers and texture create interest. The third type of decoration are baskets and boxes. We all have lots of stuff, and some of it is great to look at, but most of it is not. Baskets and boxes provide us with great hiding spots, organizational tools they call them, to keep those items out of sight. Part of great decorating is knowing what can stay out and what should probably go away. Finding clever ways to hide those items while providing interest, texture, and calm amidst the chaos of our everyday lives, that's the amazing thing about baskets and boxes. Number 4 on my list, plants and organics are an absolute must when you're decorating. We can all get hung up on shape and size and color, but nature is just naturally beautiful. It could be a hanging plant on a bookshelf, a beautiful seashell on your coffee table, or a large fiddle leaf fig in an empty corner. You'll be amazed at how lovely your space looks just by adding something from nature. And lastly, collections are a great way to make your space your very own. Everyone has something that they love to collect. It could be keepsakes from your travels, or a collection of antique teacups, or a series of watercolor prints. These are things that are unique to you and tell your story. They could even be a collection of family photos. Collections are a great resource to mix into your home. And failing that, books should probably be its own group on my list because they are such a great way to decorate. They just add so much color and texture and interest. So you don't have to be a serious collector of any one thing. Just look for things that you hold dear and show them off. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that like button, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments below which of these key pieces of decor you already have and love. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Maybe you need more personalized help from me. You can find me on Patreon. Head over to patreon.com/designchickee for all the details. Okay, so in the furniture must-haves video, I talked about key pieces of furniture that you can move around your home and use them in different ways. That's what makes them part of your home's wardrobe staples. One of those items was an accent chair. I can't impress upon you enough how a great chair can provide a great opportunity for some amazing decorating. This large wingback chair would look a little sad in this corner if it weren't for all the must-have decorating accessories we see here. That beautiful floor lamp in the lovely brass for a touch of warmth. It tucks nicely in behind the chair. And then paired with layers of soft accessories like the pillow, the throw, and don't forget the area rug underneath. All of that adds lots of warming touches to this corner. I'm loving the touches of nature with those plants. And of course, those large baskets add so much interest and texture. Who knows what's hiding in those, but who cares because they're beautiful. Notice the smaller touches too. A couple of books and some beads are just lovely little pieces of interest. Another example, this cabinet is a must-have. Great for additional storage to hide all that stuff we talked about that needs to just go away. But on its own, it lacks softness and interest. That little potted plant should just be the beginning. Adding in a table lamp, a small stack of books, greenery, and the perfect piece of art on the wall creates the perfect grouping of furniture, or as I like to call it, a perfect vignette. This could be your entry hall or a transition space between rooms. Sometimes your key pieces of furniture are too small. Group them together and add accessories. Another great little vignette. When decorating, keep in mind you don't need a lot of decorating accessories. Here, this awesome upholstered chair is accented with a great little light. The different scales of each of these pieces balance each other out. I also love to use the floor space for decorating. Love that vase with the wispy branches in front of the table, creating layers of decor. Awkward spaces are softened with this grouping of plants on the floor where headspace might be an issue. The floor lamp raises your eye upwards, and the chest is topped with some smaller items and a simple stack of books. Decorating around hard spaces can create a beautiful contrast. This simple rounded table lamp in the kitchen where the tiles and countertops are all hard surfaces. I just love that. And stacking a small table lamp on top of some books is a great way to elevate it just so. Another example where nature always softens things up, these wispy branches in this bathroom. It could be as simple as some olive branches like this too. Always leave room for your eyes to rest as you move your point of view from one grouping to another with space in between. Sometimes less is more. Too many things on a surface can make it look cluttered. Be strategic. Similarly, this beautifully decorated bedroom. The branches add such a striking natural element to this room, contrasted with the simple nightstand and spotlight on the left side of the bed. It's the simplicity that makes this a real statement. And speaking of statements, your decorating must-haves can provide real opportunity for your design style to come through. This nightstand with its adjustable table lamp is perfectly tailored. But imagine this table lamp in its place. Or this lamp instead. And again, books, and more books. They always look great, especially when they're mixed in with boxes and baskets, some trailing plants, and your own personal collections of art. So how do you pull it all together? Here, this corner of the room is perfectly balanced with all of my 5 must-haves. Accent lighting in the tall floor lamp, soft furnishings in the pillow on the chair, the area rug on the floor, and even that upholstered fluffy stool. The basket woven side table adds great texture. The plants offer up a fresh vibe sprinkled between collections of books and keepsakes. You don't have to use all 5 must-haves in every single vignette, but sprinkling all 5 of these decorating must-haves throughout your home will give you lots of opportunity to be creative. So here's your takeaway. My 5 must-have decorating accessories can be used to elevate, soften, and style your home, especially around those key furniture pieces. It doesn't have to be all 5 items in one area, but keeping these in mind will definitely help you achieve that perfect designer look. From special accent lights to soft furnishings and clever storage boxes and baskets, all of these add texture and warmth to your home. Look to nature's beauty to breathe new life into your spaces, and don't forget to showcase your collections. From books to keepsakes, those are all the items that tell your story, and they deserve to be out for everyone to see. Don't forget to watch the video about furniture must-haves. You'll learn so much more about how to use these decorating items around those key pieces of furniture. I'll link it below along with a bunch of other videos you might be interested in. Many of you have asked about shopping guides or shopping lists for furniture and accessories that I would recommend. I've started an Amazon storefront where I've added some of my favorite pieces, including some of these decorative items. As an Amazon influencer, I earn a small percentage if you purchase any of the items in my store using my affiliate links. So go ahead and check that out, and thank you for supporting this channel. Another way to support this channel is through Patreon. I've got lots of tiers, including one where you can schedule a one-on-one video consultation with me. So my patrons and I have tackled many projects in the last few months, from paint colors and tile choices to design ideas for a new bathroom and even planning the kitchen layout for a whole new house. So a big shout out to my patrons. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.